So hello everybody. So today I'm shooting for day 13 and 14. So मेरी exam थी एक दिन पहले and actually I had shot a clip and it was not like I could not have posted it, but I was not in a very good state then. Like एक दिन before I had like two bad dreams consecutively and I was not feeling very good. So and I was kind of crying, and this is completely a part of process. So when you're burnt out, you feel a lot of guilt and that self pressure and stuff like that. I did not actually want to post it because I have heard that you should never post your vulnerabilities or something, but I think that I would rather do it because, guys, it's just a part of process. So this was day 13 of starting after burnout, and I slept early last night, and अभी हो रहा है 6:30. I slept at around 2, and मेरा बहुत सारा syllabus बाकी है अभी. So I got a dream wherein मेरे को realize होता है कि मैं बैठी हुई हूँ एग्जाम के, मेरे को लग रहा है कि परसों मेरी एग्जाम है, एंड ऑल ऑफ सडन आई टू सिचुएशन वेयर कि मेरे को एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले जो है वो इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस लेना पड़ रहा हो, बिकॉज आई एम अ काइंड ऑफ पर्सन हु इज ऑलवेज प्रिपेयर्ड बिफोर एग्जाम. इस एग्जाम के पहले 5 दिन का गैप था, एंड आई एम येट नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड, एंड आई हैव अ लॉट टू कवर. I'd say the whole syllabus to cover, which makes it very stressful, and I don't know, I just don't feel very good about it, but somehow I need to do it. I don't know how many times I've thought of actually quitting everything because I don't know what's happening. It's not like I'm not trying, but and one more thing, the second thing that I learned is there are a lot of times where you will fear giving an exam to an extent that you'll completely break down and you'll think कि कुछ भी हो जाए, बाढ़ आ जाए, मेरी तबीयत खराब हो जाए, कोरोना हो जाए, कोई किसी की डेथ हो जाए, to an extent कि you do not want to give an exam. But the thing is कि we need to understand कि ये सारी चीज़ें हम लोग को in the moment बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी लग रही होती हैं, and do not take any weird step at such moment. And you can always contact, I got a helpline that is Telemanus, which is started by the government of India. You can anytime call them, and it's available 24/7, and you can contact a counselor there. So if during, like, at any point of time you feel like that, you can definitely call there, search Telemanus in Google, or I'll provide you the toll-free number. So you can call them anytime and share whatever you're feeling. A trained professional can help you there. So yeah, this is what I learned from day 13 and 14, and overall the exam was okay-ish. हमारे दिमाग में बहुत ज़्यादा जो fear होता है ना, वो सच नहीं होता है majority of the times. So it's very important that we calm ourselves down, and during the stage of burnout, you should make your goal that you show up irrespective कि कैसा भी जाए. कोई एग्जाम तुम्हारी लाइफ से बड़ी नहीं होती है. It's just a thing. So yeah, I won't beat around the bush a lot. So you can always contact Telemanus. I'll provide you the toll-free number, and I think it will help a lot of people who might feel the same way. I genuinely did not want to post this because it's kind of, again, vulnerable, and I would never do that. But I think that this can help a lot of people. So yeah.